Ki Syntiew ki skut hanan Polok ki long ki bakring bah ye ki briu kham tam ye ki khon Samla bat kham tam ru habala dei ka samoy pram. Kini ki Syntiew hanan Polok ki laktik ru ye ki kena Pule jong ka Saint Joseph College Autonomous Jakhma na Nagaland ban wan yit bat ti bnya na ka benta ka jing Pule jong ki. Habayo abani keren bat kita gi kena Pule jong ka 6th semester jong ka tanat botany department ki ba kentup yau nung shimar bat uhos ya ken kilai thu ba kejungwan jong ki Samla Pule na Saint Joseph College kalong ban Pule benya ye ki Syntiew ki skut ki bodon ha ka jala Meghalaya. Shushu kini gi kena Pule ki bela ye ki research ki digi ba Pule kerpang shephang ki Syntiew ki skut. Ka jungwan kanang jong ki gi kena Pule sha ka jala Meghalaya khamtam hanan Polok kadai ba kene kapung nan Polok kalong ba pau nam tam ha ka jala bat ha India ki bodon shibun ba ki Syntiew ki bela thong ha kane kapung. Ki kena Pule jong ka college ki layo ban shim nong muna ye ki Syntiew bat ra sha laboratory jong ki na ka benta ka jing Pule jong ki ya tho ki te ki kena Pule.
Too overcrowded over there. Some can sit here also. This part, the boys can.
Okay, you eat alone.
All right.
You want to jump on it? I'll show video. Click for me.
We are from Nagaland and we visited this Shillong for like a vacation or like to spend weekend, and then we love this place. Like it's clean, and then the people are so friendly. And then the surprising thing is in Nagaland most of the people don't speak English, though we are like official language is English, but here like all the small shop or big shop they speak only English, and that's the good thing about like for the Northeast, like we are not good in Hindi, so like we are more comfortable in English, and here we speak more English, so that's what I like about it. And then all the people, it's so good. Yeah, that's it. Seeing like it is more developed and infrastructure. All this like infrastructure are more better than in Nagaland. Like we have some few parks and all, but compared to Shillong, it is not that good. So for that, even from Nagaland, we used to sit here for like chill out and to have fun around here. That's it.
What is your goat name?
Oh, my name is Limkong.
Okay.
The people are very honest and cooperative, and we had a nice time visiting here. That is tasty.
Tasty food, है ना?
That place is traditional things of Shillong are very few.
So we are from Saint Joseph's College, Jakhama, Nagaland, and then we have come here to Shillong, and the place we have come here is the Wards Lake Shillong, and then we have come here to for our horticulture paper, and that is to study different floricultures and then different types of flowers, and then to know and see the differences among the differences among the types of flowers here in Shillong and as well as there in Jakhama. So we will be staying here for today and tomorrow, and then the day after we'll be returning back to our place, that is Jakhama, and then yeah, also will be all of these data that we're collecting now will be giving out. We'll be doing a project work. So all these things we are taking pictures and everything to have some informations and so that we could help our papers. And yeah, thank you.
Go.
Okay, so we are here in Wadbniah and which is in Shillong, and we are having lots of fun here in this place because the place here, the climate here is not that different with places in Nagaland, which especially Kohima. So it's like same to same only. So neither that hot, neither that cold. So we are having lots of fun, and we are enjoying the experience here because the scenery is so good and the people are so good. We are having fun with the environment. Yeah, that's all.
Okay.